Welcome to 19 Weymouth Street in Saco. My name is Marty Norton, and I'm a member of the Markup Real Estate Group, Keller Williams Realty. We are looking at a fabulous 3-bedroom Cape-style home. One of the bedrooms is on the first floor, and it has 2 closets. It's very spacious. You also have replacement windows on the entire house. We're going to take a look at the 2-car garage soon, and before we go out there, I just wanted to mention the new roof on the garage and the rain cap on the top of the chimney. So we're going to head up the driveway right now. Okay, let's check out the 2-car garage. As I said, new roof. Two-car garage. Spacious, plenty of room back there for storage. And we're going to look at the backyard now. One of the first things that I recognize in the backyard are the 2 sheds for storage. And if you have a dog, you can take advantage of the fenced-in yard. Little patio, dog shed dormer. And let's go in the house next. You go into the kitchen. Hi, we're in the eating kitchen. As you can see, we have tile floors, Corian countertops, backsplash, all recently installed. The kitchen cabinets are the slow close. And as you can see, we have the eat-in table over here and a nice pantry over here. And very nice, unique ceiling. All right, and nice circular floor plan here. We're coming into the living room. What's nice about this room is you have the built-ins here. You also have a nice wood-burning fireplace. Hardwood floors throughout the entire house. Nice high ceilings and nice trim all throughout the house. This room here can be used as a dining room and or another sitting room, living room. As you can see, it's got a very nice look to it. Hardwood floors again. And what's unique about this house, you have a first floor bedroom with double closets. And again, all hardwood floors on the first floor. And again, high ceilings, nice trim work, baseboard as well as throughout. And over here you have a bathtub, shower, nice linen closet as well. Pedestal sink. And linoleum on the floor. Let's go upstairs. Okay, second floor. Nice little spacious area here. Probably good for a little sitting area. There are 2 bedrooms up here. They're both fairly good size rooms. This one here would be a nice guest bedroom. We do have a walk-in closet here as well, which is nice. Hardwood floors again. And then on this side, we have another good-sized room. Hardwood floors, recently painted. Both rooms are recently painted. And again, this is great for a family or perhaps a guest bedroom here. Okay, and we're going to head down to the basement next. Okay, in the basement room. And this room here, older paneling room. The floor is a concrete floor that's been painted over. And right over here, you have a little room for the electrical panel. And you also have the water, public water coming in there. And drop ceiling. This would be a nice little utility room here for carpentry and woodwork. We've got the dog shed dormer going outside there. Washer dryer. We've got some nice closet space there. We have a sub panel right here. and Smith boiler, Carlin burner, which is excellent, expansion tank, older oil tank. What's the unique feature here? It's a dry basement, and it's very clean. And up above, you've got a nice high ceiling here, and the subflooring up above is at an angle which offers a little bit more strength to the house. All right, so this house is coming on the market on April 4th. And if you are working with a broker, have them call and set up an appointment. And if you are not working with a broker, call me, Marty Norton, and my number is 207-408-6861. I'm a member of the Markup Real Estate Group. The open house is going to be April 6th and April 7th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Thank you.